Hi team, good evening. Good morning if anyone joined from US, Canada.
Good evening, good morning, everyone.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Yeah,
Good evening.
yeah.
Hey, very good evening all.
Real meeting. We'll start session in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone have questions or concerns or doubts related to your career, so maybe we can have a discussion now. Anyone have any questions? And anyway, this class going to be happen for 5 days, different topics. First 5 lectures you can attend with by using same link.
Who's the tutor? If I can ask, please.
Sorry, Nitin, something? Nikhil.
Who is
Nikhil.
the tutor?
Tutor name Indurjeet Singh, and he was going to be handle the entire sessions
Okay.
for next 4 months. It's around 90 lectures going to be happen for Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, and Virtual Agent. And some
Sure.
part of Dynamic 365 and SharePoint integrations along with the Power Platform also he was going to be handled. And this
Okay.
curriculum is designed for both the US and Indian market standards. That's the reason it's lengthy.
Sure. Thank you.
Because here I can understand most of the people already working in different sectors, maybe Power BI. Some people might be in Dynamic 365. So internally they are using Power Apps projects. That's the reason most of the people they are learning. And some people maybe from non-IT backgrounds or some people with a career break. So it will be suitable for all standards, all kind of people.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, Indra, maybe you can take it over. I will start recording.
Okay, Mahesh, thanks for that. So, guys, welcome everyone. How are you all?
Hi, Indurjeet sir. I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. So, guys, I hope you have seen some text in the group, like where we asked about like what describes your current role, and we asked few other questions. So, I hope most of you must have answered that in the KSR PPT session updates.
Oh, yes.
Yes, only one. What about others?
Yes, from my side also, Nikhil.
Okay. No worries, guys. You guys can give answers. We are not going to charge you for that. It is all free. Giving answer, asking questions.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So, meanwhile, there are few people, like the people for whom this is the first class, who are interacting with me for the first time. So, if you have any doubts, guys, related to anything, you guys can ask me. I'll give you 2 minutes. So whatever doubts you have related to anything, it can be anything. It can be a career related technical thing, or it can be anything basically in Power Platform or in generic also. Meanwhile, I can see the strength is growing. The strength will also get stabilized at that point of time, and you can ask doubt also. I'll give you few minutes.
Yeah, hi Indurjeet. Am I audible?
Yeah, hi Siva.
Yeah, I would like to know whether this PCF controls also is involved in this Power App content.
Your PCF control is a part of Dynamics, Siva. So PCF control, it is not planned in the content, but I can show you how it will be done because PCF will contain some code, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, For me, I have knowledge. I would not say knowledge. I have technical expertise in both Dynamics and Power Platform. So here the course which is designed for you guys is for the Power Platform developer. Okay. So you should be like able to crack all the interview roles related to Power Platform developer after going through this course. So it is low code, no code course. Okay.
Okay. So you mean that PCF is not included, but if
No.
at all, if I'm interested, you would be guiding me how to do
Yeah,
it
I
and all,
can
right?
I can guide you. That is correct.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for
Yeah,
the.
because this PCF and all, this can be requirement in I would say 5% of companies. If you're giving 100 interviews, there are very less chances it will be asked. So the course is designed in a way like where you will be getting your hands-on experience in the course itself, where then you will be able to, like when you will be in the job, you will be able to do all your work items on your own. And apart from that, you will be able to clear the interviews also. So when you will have knowledge end to end, clearing an interview will not be an issue, right? So that's why like we have designed it such a way that to give you a working knowledge of all the products there in Power Platform. Okay. Anyone else? Cool. I'll take it as no, and let's get started then. I hope guys my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, welcome to KSR Data Vision. So this is the first preview class of Power Apps. So you are in Power Platform course and we are starting with the Power Apps module. So today class will be very simple and straightforward, where it is a simple FAQ session where I will tell you what we will be covering in the course, what you can expect from us, for whom this Power Platform will be suitable, who I am. So it is an introductory session. Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, we will go ahead and start with the Power Apps module with the introduction and all. Okay. So guys, let's get started first of all. So first of all, like who I am, short introduction to me. So I am Indurjeet Singh, guys. So I have around 6+ years of experience in IT industry. So I am expert in Microsoft products like Power Platform. I have worked on Dynamics 365. So I have around 6 years of relevant experience into this tech stack. I am expert in data analytics and Azure data engineering. I have certifications related to Power Platform and Power BI. I had experience in banking domain, healthcare domain, food and beverages industry, automobile industries. So currently I'm working as a lead engineer at Striker, and I'm associated with KSA Data Vision as a mentor as well as an instructor. So I have around 3 years of training experience in both online and offline classes, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. Okay, so this is all about me. So I will be your instructor for the entire Power Platform course. There will be no instructor change in between for the modules. Okay. So I will be training you on Power Platform end to end. So now before going to the PPT, I want to like explain here what is Power Platform. Anyone would like to pitch here? What is Power Platform? How many products are there in Power Platform?
Can I say?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yep. So according to me, Power Platform is a ecosystem of my few of the products which Microsoft has. Power Platform means like it means not a ecosystem, but Power Plat. It's typically a ecosystem. It contains Power Apps and Power Automate, Power BI, and all that. According to me.
Cool, good. Anyone else would like to add anything in this?
Yeah, and can I?
Yeah, Kalpana, go ahead, please.
Yeah. Power Platform, which is actually given by the Microsoft to develop the business application. So which includes that Power BI and Power Apps, and Power Apps have three types, which is Modern Run App, Canvas App, and Power Pages. And also we have that we can add in that Power Automate and Power Virtual Agent. We have another two too, which is AI Builder, and data was including that one as well. And also now Microsoft have a thought to do like Power Pages is also another fifth element is top of it as well.
Okay, Kalpana, good.
Thank you, Indra.
Anyone else would like to add anything or would
Yeah,
like to explain it again?
hello.
Yeah, Siva.
Yeah, this is Shiva. Yeah, Power Platform is a suite of low-code and no-code tools by Microsoft designed empower users build applications for create apps like Canvas and Modern and device apps and Power Automate and analyze the data to Power BI. Okay, main Power Platform tools are Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate and Power Pages.
Cool. So guys, how many people are there who are from non-IT background, or for them this is the first technical thing that they're learning? So can you guys raise your hand? Or they are from support kind of thing, or from HR or some other domain? Those are not from technical domain. Nikhil, only one? Guys, this will help me in understanding how I have to explain. So I will explain with layman examples if you don't know, if you're non-technical, right? So you will be able to relate it very easily. So of rest all 41 are technical guys. Okay, Gayatri.
Hi.
Sorry,
Hello. Yeah, I am in technical perspective, but new to Power Platform.
new to Power Platform, right? So how many of you are new to Power Platform? Raise your hand. 3. Only 3? 4.
Even me, I'm new to Power Platform.
Yeah, it's okay. No need to unmute. Just raise your hand, everyone. I will be getting the idea. Okay, 7, 8. Cool. We have good number of people. So guys, what is Power Platform? Power Platform is simple. So let us not move on to Power Platform directly. So have you seen Office 365 products? Can someone tell me what are Office 365 products? If you're using PC, so there you will be having Windows, and in Windows Office 365 product will be there, right? Can
Yes,
someone
Indra.
tell me?
Outlook, Microsoft Teams,
So
OneDrive.
Outlook, Teams, OneDrive,
SharePoint.
SharePoint, PowerPoint, and so on, right? So these are all the suite of products that Microsoft has given in the Office 365 offering, where which will help you create various things, and which will help you manage various things like Outlook for emails, Teams for messages and interactions, OneDrive is for storage, SharePoint is for storage, PowerPoint is for presentations, right? So this you have already seen from the Microsoft, right? It is existing from long back, isn't it, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. And guys, one more thing I want to be very clear. Like the people who are very like who are interacting with me for the first time. So I am the kind of instructor where I will be needing the acknowledgement from you, and only then I will move forward. Okay. So please acknowledge like if you got it or not, and then we will move forward. So I should not ask again and again that you got it or not. Okay. So this is how it is. So now Power Platform is the product similar to Office 365 offering, which is offered by Microsoft. So it is also offered by Microsoft. These are low code, no code products. Low code, no code. Now, similarly, Office 365 has some offerings. It will also have some offerings. So what are those offerings? So it will have Power BI. Okay. It will have Power Apps. It will have Power Automate. Then it will have Copilot Studio. which was formerly called as Power Virtual Agents. Clear? So these are the four products which are offered by Microsoft under the Power Platform umbrella. So now Power BI is for what? It is for data visualizations. It is a data visualization tool. Just a sec. Okay, so this is for data visualization tool, guys. And in Power App, you will be creating applications. And in Power Automate, you will be automating the stuff. And Copilot is for chatbots. Okay. Now, how many of you have seen this Power BI? Like, have you heard this thing Power BI earlier?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So in Power BI, guys, what you can do, you can get the raw data from any data source and you can get the meaningful business insights out of that raw data. Okay. So that's why it will act as a data visualization tool, right? So now what is Power Apps? So in Power Apps, you will be creating business applications. So you can create various type of application that we will see in the second level of hierarchy. And in Power Automate, you can do the automation. So what kind of automation you will be doing? So if you are placing any order in Amazon or Flipkart, guys, so you are getting order updates in email, isn't it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? So have you ever wondered like how those email updates are getting triggered?
Using Power Automate flows.
Yes, sir. Using Power Automate.
Yeah, not in Flipkart. In Flipkart, they will not be using Power Automate flows, but this is how it is designed. They will must be having some interaction, right, with the automation layer, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the offering for that, the automation. So similarly, you must have seen chatbots. Like if you are using your bank, so then you will be having a chatbot called as in HDFC it is EVA. And can someone tell me a famous chatbot nowadays, which is there in the market?
Alexa.
Yeah, Alexa is also chatbot.
Ask
Slack,
Disha, IRCTC.
Sorry?
Ask Disha, IRCTC.
Yeah, correct.
Slack and ChatGPT.
Chat GPT, right? So
Slack is also.
Chat GPT is what? It is a chatbot only, right? So this is how.
Copilot as well.
Sorry.
Copilot.
Copilot in Microsoft, what Microsoft call in Microsoft, whatever you will be building in the Copilot. So now they, instead of chatbots, they called it as Copilot. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, so now you can see you have you have the solution for every problem that you might face while you are developing any app, right? So you can create application if you want to do the automation, that also you can do. You can have data visualization also, you can integrate chatbot also, right? So the beauty of this product is these can be integrated. So you can add Power Apps in Power BI, you can embed Power BI here, you can embed Copilot Studio here. You can embed like this also. So all these products are tightly integrated. So you can embed one below one in the another and create a whole ecosystem in this Power Platform itself. Okay. So now let me move ahead to the second level breakdown. So Power BI, you already know it will be having Power BI Cloud, the Power BI service, and Power BI Desktop. So Power BI Desktop is the application where you will be developing the report, and service will be the application where you will be hosting the report. Okay. So in Power Apps, they are divided into three categories. First one is Canvas app. Then you have model driven app. Okay. Then you have Power Pages. Okay. So Canvas app is a type of Power App. Model driven app is a type of Power App, and Power Pages, it is for websites. You can create websites here. Okay. Similarly, in automation, it is also divided into two categories. It is cloud automation and it is Power Automate desktop, which is called as desktop automations. So this is also called as RPA, robotics process automation. Okay. So now guys, what are these? So basically you can create various types of app. In Canvas app, these are UI heavy. So basically we will be starting our module with the Canvas app. Then we will discuss about model driven app. Then we will discuss about Power Pages. So then you have two type of automations. If you want to do something automation in the cloud, so then you will use Power Automate Cloud Flows. If you want to do the desktop automation, then you can use desktop flows. And this is also, this Power Automate desktop products competes in RPA, or what to say, in RPA space. If anyone is from RPA, so they must be knowing, like RPA is a different job role altogether, like Power Platform. So in RPA, you have different products, like basically competitors. You have UiPath, you have Blue Prism, and you have Automation Anywhere. And this is the fourth leader in the market, Power Automate Desktop. Okay. Apart from that, it has the data storage capacity solution with it, which is called as Dataverse. It has AI capabilities, which is called as AI Builder. So this is how Power Platform ecosystem looks like, guys. Okay. So now by learning this Power Platform, this can act as a foundation for you. So now you can become a Power Platform developer, and other than that, you can acquire a few more skills, and you can go into multiple career paths. Okay. One career path is Power Platform developer. Another career path is where you can become a RPA developer. Okay, and another career path, for Power BI, Power BI is bread and butter for all the data engineer and data scientists, right? So if you want to go into that field, Power BI is required. Then you have to learn SQL, then might be some cloud, then might be some AI ML algorithm, and you can become data scientist and data engineer, right? And Python. So similarly, if you want to learn something called as Dynamics 365, so for Dynamics 365, you must be knowing model-driven apps, you must be knowing Dataverse, and apart from this, you have to learn JavaScript and you have to learn C#.NET plugin, and that is it. You can become the the developer, which is called as Dynamics 365 developer. So what I would want all of you to do is, for next few days, for this course, basically, I want all of you to focus on Power Platform only for now. Once you have Power Platform knowledge, once you are into Power Platform job, if you want to upskill yourself, if you want to like grow in some other domain, based on your experience, based on your interest, so then it will be very easy for you to do that. So these are all the career paths available in Power Platform. So now, guys, like this is all about Power Platform. So if you have any doubt in this, any doubt, any query, so you can ask me.
Sir, Pratap here.
Yeah, Pratap.
See, in Power Apps, we have three, right? Like Canvas app and Model Driven app and Power
Power Pages.
Pages.
Correct.
And here you mentioned like below that Dataverse, right? Is Dataverse, is it including in Power Apps only?
No, no. So this Dataverse, it is for entire Power Platform data storage solution. It can be accessed in all the products. So it can be integrated in Power BI. It can be integrated in Power Automate, and Copilot Studio. This is data storage solution for entire Power Platform.
Okay, okay. It is a database, right? Dataverse
Yeah,
is related
database,
to
correct.
database. Okay.
Correct. Cloud database.
Okay, okay. I understand, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Guys, I hope all of your doubts related to Power Platform, what Power Platform is, what are Power Apps, Power Automate, all those things are cleared. If you have even a slight doubt, ask me right away. No doubts, all clear?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Guys, if you are not in the position to speak, you can use the chat box also in the Zoom.
As of now, everything is clear, sir.
Everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, basically, we will quickly iterate through the PPT. You will keep on understanding. You will automatically understand everything if you are clear with this diagram. So let us go ahead. Now you
Yes,
must be
please.
having, sorry.
Sorry. Yes, please. I just.
Yeah. Now, guys, most of you must be having doubt, right? Like for whom this Power Platform can be a good choice. So to be honest, guys, this is the hot tech skill in the market right now, Power Platform. It has lot of openings. Okay. It has lot of openings and there are very less developers in the market who know the entire product end to end. You will find developers in the market who knows what is Power BI, who must have worked on Canvas app, but they don't have experience in model driven apps. So you will get all those developers, but you will not have a guy who know end to end. Okay. So there are very less people available in the market as of now. So then if you are from non-IT background, then also it is a good choice for you because it is low code, no code. You will be able to understand everything. Then if you want to switch technology, if you are stuck in some career where you are not getting career growth, so then also it is a good choice for you. It is good opportunity for fresher as there are openings in the market. So if you have career gap, then also it's a good choice. If you want to cross skill yourself, like you already know Power BI and you want to learn about Power Apps, you already know Power Automate, you want to learn about other components. So then also it is a good choice for you. Okay. So now what is Power Platform that I already covered. So I will be skipping this site. Now, who will be called as a Power Platform developer and what we will be covering here? So basically a person who knows Power BI, we will be covering Power Apps, a person who knows Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Power Pages, and like here we will give you interview preparation also. I myself will guide you on projects and I myself will take FAQ questions on this interview and I'm always there to guide you guys. Whenever you need me, I will be there. Okay. Then next
Thank
thing
you.
is certifications. So these are all the certifications which are available in the Microsoft Power Platform. So right away after this course, you can go ahead for this PL 900 certification. And after that, depending on your interest, you can go ahead for the certification. PL 100 is for Power Platform App Maker, that is related to Power Apps. This is for functional consultant. Then PL 300 is for Power BI. 400 is for Power Platform developer. PL 500 is for RPA developer, that is Power Automate Desktop. 600 is for solution architect. Clear? Any doubts?
Yes. No.
Clear.
Yeah. So might be like I'll try to answer few frequently asked question in the previous batches. Might be you guys are not getting it now. So if you have question related to like if the certifications are sponsored by KSR or not, so we don't have any sponsorship available with us. So it is around 5,000. So you can go ahead and do that. I can give you the sources how to prepare and all. So again, this PL 900 and all certifications you will be able to clear if you are through the course. But still, I can give you some sites from where you can see the previously asked question. But when you're giving at that time, you can check with the team if they have some discount coupon. So we will be more than happy to give it to you. Okay. So any other doubt on those lines?
Are you going to cover in-depth Power Pages?
Yeah, everything will be in depth. Everything will be relevant to the industry. Okay.
Possible to build a public website through Power Pages?
Yeah, it is possible, Nishant. So I will be telling you how to make the website public and all. But unfortunately, we will not be able to make it public because for public you have the licensing, right? It is $150 per month.
If I know some of topics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then I can modify the
Yeah,
content
I
in
will
the
tell you
Power
how
Pages.
to modify, how to write HTML, CSS. I will not be telling how to write the code, but I can tell you how you can embed that code there. So I will, it is already there in the batch basically.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, I
Anyone?
have a question.
Yeah, Krishna,
Is
please go
this
ahead.
course good enough to take on PL 400 certification as well?
Yeah, again, this is not specific to Power Automate Desktop because that is RPA, right? So you are talking about PL 400, Power Platform Developer. Yeah, it is specific. It is more than enough for that.
Okay, cool. Thank you. And for PL 600, maybe you might have some advanced level course.
No, Christian, it is Christian, right?
Yeah, Krishan.
Christian, right? So
Yeah.
Christian, look, like everything that I will be telling here, that is at Power Solution Architect level. So who is
Okay.
solution architect? Like who will decide what to use, where to use, what will be the schema, how you will design all the system, right? That will be the that will be the solution architect, right? So
Okay.
here, like we will not discuss anything in air. We will not go ahead and discuss on the okay, I will go come and I'll tell you, okay, guys, this is the PPT, this is the definition and all. No, never, nothing like that. We will start with the project. In project, we will go ahead with the schema design. We will create our fields. We will create our data relationships models. Okay. Then we will by the project itself, we will learn everything.
Okay.
So
That
it is as
answers
good
my
as you are developing on the projects.
awesome. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else?
So do we have any, hi, sir, Priyatam here. Do we have any time gap so to do fundamentals and associate badges or I wanted to cross-slide my IT actually. So where there is a I'm doing I'm a bigger developer. Okay. We do have same sort of badges. So if I take it, so after 2 years, I need to have one fundamentals to associate, and so need to have a 2 years gap, for expert level. So in resume they'll see. So now, so when I'm cross switching the technology, so do we have so what is the expertise I do need to have? Is it a fundamental is enough, or associate I can do like
So Pritham, Priyatham, I think your question is after going through the course, which kind
yes,
of proficiency you will gain in the Power Platform, right?
yes, please, yeah.
So it depends on you, Pritham, like how much you are practicing. But if you are practicing enough, if you are creating all the projects, so it will be intermediate to advanced.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Anyone else? Anything?
Hi, Indurjeet. This is Bharat. I would like to know regarding that PL 300 Power BI. So, in this course, that Power BI entire course is getting included or only the basics?
It is end to end.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anusha, do you have something to ask? Your hand is raised. Cool. Let me quickly move to the next slide. So next slide, like why Power Platform developer is in demand. Because everyone wants to move to low code, no code. Why? Because if you are developing anything with code for the business application, it will take quite a lot of time, right? Quite a lot of time, high manpower. So if you have a high manpower, so you will be paying their salaries, right? So it will be taking like it will be costing them a lot. So that's why they are moving to this low code, no code. And there are high demand of digital transformation also. And there, as I told you, like there are very less people in the market who knows end to end what Power Platform is, and it is a rapidly growing market. So why I'm saying rapidly growing market? You are there is activity for all of you. Just go ahead, take out your cell phones and search in the Google like low code, no code market growth. Can you do that and show me the number? What you're getting in CAGR, compounded annualized growth. Can you guys quickly check and give me the number?
It's a 20 to 32%.
Okay.
Showing us 19%.
19%. Okay.
32%.
It showed 19%.
Okay.
In 5 years, the growth will be expected as up to 32%, 20 to 32%.
Yeah. So now you can understand how much big this market is and how it is expanding, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Fortune Business Insight predicts a CAGR of 32.2% of global low-code development platform market from 2025 to 2032. And it is expected to reach 65 billion market by 2027. Okay. So let us not take 32. Let us take 20 itself. So then also it is a good growth, right? So the money that is growing in your FDs, it will be in 7%. In stock market, it will be 15%,
Yes, sir.
right? So this market is rapidly growing. So due to that, demand is high, and the versatility of Power Platform that you must be able to relate now because you know what is Power Platform, right? It has solution for data analysis. It has solution for applications. It has solution for automation. It has solution for chatbots. It has solution for websites, right? So you name it, it has solution for that, right? And collaboration opportunities means like you can integrate various Power Platform products together and you can create a product out of it. So these are the job opening screenshot that we have from Naukri. So now you can go ahead and check on your Naukris, like how many job openings are there. There will be lot many. So this is again like who is Power Platform developer, who knows Power BI, who knows Power Apps, who knows Power Automate, who knows Power Virtual Agent, which is Copilot Studio. You have AI Builder, you have Dataverse, and you can connect this Power Platform with multiple data sources. Now, what will be the roles and responsibilities of a Power Platform developer? So basically, you will be responsible for designing the application, designing the data model, then you will develop it, then you will test it, then you will deploy it, then you will maintain it, and then you will have a continuous mechanism where you will be taking the feedback from the customers and improving your products. So all this SDLC you will be following. So now, guys, as you know, it is founded by Microsoft. So Microsoft is the largest technological company in the world, I would say, one of the largest. So it has already very good reputation in the market with Microsoft.
बोलिए संदीप जी.
Sorry,
Busy है. हाँ.
guys, please be on mute. Okay. So it is already having a much established product in the market like Windows operating system, Microsoft Office suite, and you always know like if a product has backing from the brand, it is going to be there for a longer duration of time and it has big impact in the market. So you guys can vouch on it for long term. So it will be there for quite a long time. Then what we will be offering you here in KSR Data Vision. So let me go ahead, and I think there is a typo here. So we will be offering you here 100 hours of content, almost 80 sessions. We will be giving you almost 6+ real-time projects and many Power Automate flows we will create. Apart from that, we will give you organizational account, which will have the premium license to all the products tagged. So like the once you will enroll, you will get your custom account with like suppose your name is Raj. So raj@ksrconsultantservices.com. We will be providing you interview guidance. We will help you with resume preparation. We will help you how to answer the solution questions and all. We have tie up with companies. We can give you references. We have a dedicated placement cell where you can ask your queries related to placements. So any doubt on this, guys?
No.
No, right?
No.
So that is it for the presentation. So basically, these are some other courses which are offered by us, data engineering, full stack, and all these things. So if you are interested in anything, and if you want to know more about any other course of a Power Platform, you can call us on this number. So now let me go ahead and open the plan, like how the plan looks like. So you will be having these many modules: Power BI, Power Automate, Power Apps, Copilot Studio, Power Platform Admin Center, and I will be covering basic SQL and Excel manipulation, which are required being a Power Platform developer. And we will be creating project in every module. Okay. So for you, your first module will be Power Apps, then Power Automate, then Copilot Studio, then Admin Center, then basic SQL and Excel manipulation, and then it will be Power BI. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have
And
a question, if I may, please.
sorry?
I have a question, if I may ask.
Yeah, you can go ahead, Kiran.
Normally, you start with Power BI, right? And this time you're starting with Power App. So won't there be any issue with that?
No,
I
I'll
mean,
I'll explain you how it works.
okay,
I'll
sure.
explain. Give me a minute. So
Okay.
this is the day-wise plan. We have 80 days plan. So it is tentative plan. So basically we will be creating. So all this project will be created in the classes itself. Whatever we will be working on, we will be working with projects. Okay. So we will share it with you in the once you enroll, we will share it everything with you. So this is how it is. So now I guess you have that doubt, right? So let me explain you how it is, how it works.
Sorry if you had already explained it because I joined a little late. So
No, no,
my
no, no. You,
apologies in
you did
advance.
not join late. Basically, that is fine. Uh,
Okay.
so basically here you say Power BI, you have Power Apps, you have Power Automate, you have, sorry, Copilot Studio, and you have Admin Center and other modules. So I will write as mixed module. Okay. So now guys, this is module 1, this is module 2, this is module 3, this is module 4, this is module 5. Okay. So as Krishan mentioned, so I will start a batch with Power BI module. Okay. So for that batch, the people who will be joining here. So suppose these are the 3 people, A, B, C. So for them, Power BI is this module, first module, Power BI second module, third, fourth, fifth. So now what we have here flexibility, we will take admissions here also in Power Apps module. So people can join here also. So all of you are joining here. It is D, E, F. So for you, first module is Power BI, second module is this, third module is this, fourth module is this, and for you, fifth module will be the Power BI. So all these modules are independent of each other. Okay. And let me tell you why we have this flexibility. Because there are many people in the market as of now who are good with Power BI. They don't want to learn Power BI at all. So to give them that freedom, so we have this flexibility. Okay. I hope, Krishan, it is clear.
Yeah, makes sense. If they are standalone modules, then it's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
they are standalone. You don't have to worry about that.
Perfect. Thank you.
So now, like if you want to have the feedback of Power BI module, so there are few of your classmates who have already attended Power BI module, so you can take feedback from them, how it was, whether we have skipped something or whether they got or not. Okay, so you have the feedback mechanism directly available in the class. So now, guys, how let me tell you how this course also looks. So we will be having everyday class at 7:30, and the last time will be 9 p.m. again IST. And guys, regarding you must be having some doubts related to placements also. So this is our almost seventh or eighth batch that we are starting. We got various placements. So basically, one of my student got 70% hike, one got 100%, one more got 100+%. These all are Indian placements, and one of my student is expecting an offer in US also. Basically, four offers he is expecting, and might be he will be getting around 1.2 CR INR in INR. Basically, he's having around 7 years of experience. So this is how placements looks like. Again, like placements and all, it all depends on you, how you are practicing, how much you are putting in effort. These, I would say, these placements or interview are the by result of that. Okay.
Sir, how many years of experience we can put after completing this course?
Uh, Partly you can easily go ahead and put from 2 to 4 years of experience, depending on how your soft skills are, how you are able to convince.
Okay, sir.
So guys, now we are into doubt session. Whatever doubts you have, you guys can go ahead and ask. And if you guys don't have any doubt, so you guys can drop also. It is on you. We will meet again at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow, same time, and we will start with the power apps.
Hi, sir. Priyatham again. So
Yeah.
I do have 7+ years of experience in IT, and I
Mm-hmm.
do have domain knowledge like banking, insurance, healthcare. Yeah. So now I wanted to switch into Power BI. Okay. So what?
Power platform.
Yeah, Power Platform actually, and at this stage, so what is your recommendation to keep a this thing
Okay.
like
I have few questions, Pritham.
mhm.
Like in which tech stack you are working now? Like in 7 years of experience, what is the tech stack?
Tech stack is Pega. It is a business process, a BPM tool. Yeah,
Okay, business process management tool.
management. Yeah.
Okay. And if you are comfortable, can you send me your CTC in my
Uh,
person in the chat,
I
Zoom chat?
can openly tell, no issues with that.
Okay. How much
It,
it is?
it is 29
29,
LP enough. Yeah.
29 LPA, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, you can go ahead and target for the architect role in Power Platform. Okay.
That is what I have a query. So I'm currently a technical lead. So
Yeah.
so once I learn this Power BI, I'm just curious to ask you. So what is the level I can uh, do? And
Yeah. So Pritham, you will be able to do the solutioning part once you done this, because here I will be telling you everything. So,
mm,
so basically this course is designed from very beginner to advanced level.
yes.
So I will be telling you how to integrate Power BI in Power Apps, how you can integrate Power Automate flows in Power Apps, and how you can define the solution. So basically, we will be implement exact same features that
Mm,
I have implemented in those 6 years. Okay.
yeah.
And for your experience level, there are I would be very honest. Okay.
Mm,
So in my organization itself, we were looking for someone with this much amount of experience in Power Platform.
mm,
People came
yeah.
and they are simply going from the reading the documentation or some videos they are watching and coming in the interviews. And
Yeah.
around 8 months, it was empty. The position was
Mm.
empty. We did not
Okay.
find anyone with the solutioning knowledge of it.
Yeah, yeah, understood. And
So
so at this point of time, like, so do I need to learn the entire power platform, or so do I need to like stop at Power BI itself?
no, Pritham. Like if you want to become the solution
I
architect,
solution
you
architect.
should learn entire Power Platform.
Okay.
And I would recommend you to not miss even a single class
Hmm.
because
Understood.
once you have seen the development of it, only then you can perform the solution, right? Only then you can suggest the solution. So this is how it is.
Understood. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi-
Yeah, one by one. Please
Hello.
go ahead. Who said hello first?
Yes. So, sir, I just have one question, and it is related to the uh, performance tracking in Power BI. Basically, whenever you create a different data models or different DAX functions to optimize, I mean, to combine your data and create your visuals, sometimes it happens that model is taking too much time to get it refreshed, and that time you need to work on the performance analyzer, and then you can reduce that part. But I tried it multiple times, but I'm failing it badly. So I hope I'll get it cleared, that topic here.
Yeah. So for performance optimization, there are multiple things. Performance analyzer is one thing, and other thing can be like you can try reducing the data in your data set by using something called as incremental refresh. And
Yeah, that is done. Incremental refresh, I really don't have any doubt about, but this performance optimizer and the
so in performance
analyzer,
optimizer, then
here I
might
have few doubts.
yeah. So in that, basically, you will be getting like which component is taking more milliseconds of time, right? So in that case, you have to see that like if query part is taking more time, so then might be you have to optimize your query. If data modeling part is taking more time, so then you have to optimize your data modeling part of it. No worries, when you will attend Power BI module, we can discuss that. Not an issue. Even you can share your screen and show me your thing. We will discuss that. That is fine.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Krishan.
So, will you provide any supplementary study material along with these online sessions?
Yeah, so Krishan, like there is no study material required. Microsoft documentation, official documentation is more than enough for that. So I will be referring that in the course, and I would recommend you also to refer that thing only because that is in very simple language and it is very straightforward. And the what to say, and the plus point is it gets updated time to time because this Power Platform is not a thing like where you will not get changes. It will be getting more feature added, removed, renamed very frequently. So it is very hard to track all these things. So I would recommend to use Microsoft documentation, msdocs.com.
Uh, can you please share the link if you
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
mind?
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, whatever you want to see, you can search in the Google. It will give you. So suppose you want to learn about Power FX, MS Docs. Like this, you can write, and this is Microsoft Learn documentation. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Bharat. Do
Thank
we
you.
have recording sessions, like recording videos, and how they will
Yeah.
long last?
Correct. So basically, you will be getting all recordings of all the session in the portal itself. In KSR Data Vision portal, it will be available to you, and you will have access for 1 year. And the
Uh,
license that you will be getting, it will be for 6 months. Yeah, ready.
Even for service account also it's same, sir.
Service, I think by service account you mentioned the organization account, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Pratap,
correct.
correct. Yes, yeah, it will be. So why license? I means like the premium license for Power Apps and all. So it will be 6 months, but the access to recordings, it will be 1 year.
Okay. But
Okay.
service account only we can get 6 months.
Correct.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Anyone else? Anything? Guys, if you're getting any doubt, it can be anything. You guys can ask. Not an issue.
One more question is like the data from where we are getting, like, is it from any GitHub portal or do we have any Excels or any other?
Yeah, so basically this course is designed so that you can work with all basically on the basis of the availability of infrastructure that I have and on the basis of frequently used things also. So basically you will be getting the data from SharePoint site in Canvas apps. You will be getting the data from Dataverse in model-driven apps. So again, data source is the least thing that you need to be worried about because if you have created a Canvas app on top of SharePoint and now your data is moved to SQL Server, so then you only have to repoint your app, right? You don't have to do the development again. All those features or concept will remain same. Anyone else? Anything?
I'm good, sir.
Cool. No doubts?
Like, do we have any mock interviews here? Like, we will be conducting any of those?
Yeah, mock interview, but like again, like once you are ready for interviews, if you are feeling okay, I'm not clearing the interviews, I need some confidence, so you can request the team. They will align a mock interview for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Like
Sir,
I'm
here only online classes only available. We don't have any offline classes.
No, Pratap, it is not feasible for me to take all offline classes because I'm also working professional, and basically we have the students from various geographies. So due to that, we have online classes only.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
yeah, I missed the initial charts and the thing and all. So like, is there any like fee we need to pay for this course and all?
Yeah, Siva, like basically you have to pay the fee, but for 5 sessions it is completely free. You can see how we are progressing, and then accordingly you can make decision. So after 5 session you have to pay.
Okay, sure. Like I'm actually from DevOps and SRE background, so like so that I can be able to take this course and I can be able to switch the technology and all.
Yeah, it is you will be able to take it, not an issue.
Okay.
Yeah. The only commitment that I need from you is you should have that grind to do the hard work. That is it.
Yeah, yeah.
Other than that, nothing is required. If you are from HR domain also, then also I will teach you about Power Platform. You will be pro in this. But just a thing required is like what to say, never give up attitude. You have
Yeah.
to give your hard work. That is it.
Okay. So every day
Okay.
it is from 7:30 to 9, is it right?
Yeah, 7:30 it will start and it will end like depending on the once we completed the topic and once
Yeah.
we completed the doubt. Mostly the upper cutoff time is 9. It can end below also.
So the bridge is same, right? So
Yeah,
this
so
is the bridge.
yeah, bridge will be Zoom only, but you will be getting the portal, right? So once you will log in, so we will be giving you access to the KSR portal. So in your portal itself, you will be getting the link and you will be getting all the recordings also.
I got the bridge link from one of my friends in WhatsApp. So
Yeah. So once you will enroll, we will give you the portal itself.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And you can join from portal also. You can go to ksrdatavision.com
Mhm.
and then review sessions and all.
Okay.
Yeah, if you're not getting that, just call on this number. They will let you know how to do.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Anyone else? Anything?
Sir, classes weekdays and weekends, both we are going
Monday to
to
Friday.
Monday to
Monday to
Friday, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Even for course fee details and all, we need to contact with this numbers, right? Whatever numbers.
Yeah, this number, and if you don't, if you want to ask me, that is, I guess it will be 27,000 for installment. But if you want to pay one time, so then we will give some discount to you. I think it will be 25K or something. For more details, you can get in touch with the team. In the last session, we will explain you how to do that payment and all. So you can be assured for next 3-4 sessions.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Oh, like my last question, like how can you differentiate with other courses that are available? So, and what is the main difference with you?
USP,
So
right?
that,
So
yeah.
look, other courses in the market, if you can try, even I will be very honest here. So I had given demo somewhere else also to this thing to take batches. So people are charging 35,000. Okay, for the content which is less than this. They will let you tell you about Power Apps and Power BI, Power Apps and Power Automate. They'll charge you 30,000. First of all, they will not provide you any premium license. No one will provide you. You can check in the market. Okay. I'm not sure about recordings. I will not do any fake claim. This premium license, it will cost around $100 to us. That is around, you can calculate. So first thing is this. Second thing is I am the instructor. I have worked on almost all products in Power Platform and almost on Dynamics 365 around 6 years now. So I know what will be required in the market, what you will be working in the real-time projects, and I am the one who is giving interviews, as well as I am involved in hiring in my parent organization also, in my client organization also. I do the hiring for all the roles: senior developer, junior developer, let it be architect. So I know like what people are lagging behind, what they don't know in the market. So I already know all those stuff, what will be asked and all. So I think that is the main USP, and we have everything planned in the project terms. So this is how it is. You will be seeing that difference once you will go through the course.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anyone else, anything?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Fine.
Awesome.
Reiterating once again, guys, if anyone else has any doubt, you guys can tell me. Otherwise, we will be ending the class here. Good to end, right?
I'm good. Thank you. Yep.
Okay. Thank you, guys. It was nice interaction with you. Hoping to see you all tomorrow. Let's start with the Power Apps module and let's learn and grow together. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you.